Okay, so we're looking at the tungsten gold fast charging data cable here, and this is the 300 centimeter version, 100 watt high power, so it can handle a lot of current. Let's bring it in for a closer look. So it does have its own strap, and you can probably tell in the video, it is very thick compared to a normal cable. It's got very good shielding on it, and the ends are very high quality. So tungsten gold, I guess, is what they're calling this. We've been using this cable for a few weeks. It has performed flawlessly out in the field as well as in the home. We do a lot of mapping stuff with our hiking channel, and this thing, it's hands down one of the best cables we've ever had. So data cable, 100 watt. Get yours here on Amazon. You'll be glad you did.